Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable the microphone permission for the Instagram app on your PC, especially after the latest update. Whether you want to boost your security or just prefer to keep your microphone off, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main page. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. These are your gateway to more options. Click on those 3 dots. A menu will appear, giving you several choices. From here, select App Info. This will take you to a new window where you can see all the details about the Instagram app installed on your device. Once you're in the App Info section, look for the Settings option. Click on it to enter the Settings menu for the Instagram app. Here, you'll find a list of permissions that the app can access, including your camera, storage, and of course, your microphone. Now, find the microphone permission in this list. You'll see a switch or a toggle next to it. If the switch is turned on, that means Instagram currently has access to your microphone. To disable it, simply click the switch to turn it off. Once you do this, the toggle will change, indicating that the microphone permission is now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the microphone permission for Instagram on your PC. Now, the app won't be able to access your microphone unless you decide to enable it again in the future. Taking these small steps can make a big difference in protecting your privacy online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need the same help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more easy tech tips.